Hi, welcome back to Roshan, Super Intelligent Toddler. So we've started with phonics with Roshan. So we've started with alphabet A. So in this video, you will see a complete set of things done with the alphabet A. So that helps him to imbibe the sound of A. That's A. A. So what we've done, a small poem on A. Then the various objects which starts with a story surrounding that objects, various art, craft activities, then few worksheet type of things we did with alphabet A. So it's all surrounded around alphabet A, and which will help the toddler to understand the sound of A clearly into his mind. So after A, we'll be following the other 25 alphabets also. So stay tuned to our channel for more phonics related video. Ants are crawling. Ants are crawling. Ants are crawling, and they are causing me alarm. This is alphabet A. Uppercase letter, lowercase letter. Apple.
Apple.
Eggs. Ant. Arrow. Aeroplane. Anchor. Alligator. This is acorn. Acorn. Correct. Yes. So acorn. Very good. That's Mama's cut it up. Acorn. You have to color the acorn. Acorn is brown in color. Pick a brown color and color the acorn. You have to circle the objects which starts with A. So this is ambulance. Ambulance starts with A. Okay, it starts with A. So then circle it.
Yeah, do that.
Circle then. No, with a crayon.
Huh?
With a crayon. Very good, Roshan. Very good. Okay, what is this? Who is this? This is astronaut. Astronaut starts with alphabet A or not?
Yes,
Okay, then circle this also. Okay. How about this? What is this? Arrow starts with alphabet A or not?
yes.
Okay. Okay. What is this? So it starts with alphabet. This starts with A or not? Okay. How about this? What is this? It starts with alphabet A or not? Ball starts with A or not? Find the objects which starts with A. Find the objects. This object starts with A? Okay. So then tick it. Whichever object starts with A, you have to tick it. Tick up. Acha, theek hai. What is this? Crayon starts with alphabet A? Very good. Crayon starts with C. Okay, what is this? Clock. Very good. Clock starts with alphabet. Clock starts with C. Okay. What is this? Ball starts with alphabet A? Very good. Ball starts with B. What is this? Huh? Bat ball. Correct. Yes, matching. Correct. You're right. Rishan, what is this? Fan. Okay. So fan starts with alphabet A? Yes. Because okay. Rishan, fan. So fan starts with alphabet A? Fan starts with alphabet A or not?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. What is this?
Flower.
Flower starts with alphabet A?
No, T.
Flower starts with F. Okay. What is this? Arrow starts with alphabet A?
Yeah.
Very good. Arrow starts with alphabet A. Right? So color it. Tick it. I'm sorry.
I tick it.
Okay. This now both starts with alphabet A or not? Both starts with alphabet A.
No, it doesn't.
What is this?
Flower. No, butterfly.
Butterfly starts with alphabet A or not?
No.
Very good. Take it. So we are done. Find the odd man out and color it. So see this. From these three, which one is the odd man out? Bat is odd man out. Correct. Because this is acorn and this is aeroplane. Both starts with A. Acorn, aeroplane. But bat starts. Yeah, but bat starts with B. So this is the odd man out. Correct. Color it.
No, that's ticket.
No, that is different thing. This you have to color it. The instruction says this you have to color it.
Over there.
Okay. Now out of these three, which one is the odd man out?
T.
Out of this three, which one is the odd man out, Rishan?
T.
Key is the odd man out. You're right, because this is anchor and this is ant. Both starts with alphabet A. So anchor, ants. Correct. And yes, and this is key. It starts with K, so this is the odd man out. Correct. Okay, how about these three, Rishan? Out of these three, which one is the odd man out?
T.
Yes.
Apple is the odd man.
Very good. Apple is odd man out because this is bottle, it starts with B, and this is balloon, which also starts with B. So this is the odd man out. Odd man out. Come on. Apple.
Green color.
I know. You are given only one color. You do with that. ठीक है, finish. Perfect. a boy who loved to eat apples.
Happy.
Yes, he eats on his own. Apples.
Apple.
The moment he saw apples, his mouth used to water. His mother didn't give him too much apples to eat because it can cause constipation. His father was a farmer. He used axe in the farm to cut perennial woody plants to harvest wood for various purposes. The farmer decided to use pesticides as there were lots of ants in the farm. One shooter shot the bird sitting on the farm with an arrow. The boy was shocked to see an alligator in the farm. The boy wanted to become a pilot and ride an airplane. The boy, while studying his book, came to know that anchor is used to stop the moving boats. What is this? This entire thing.
Apple.
Very good. Apple is of which color?
Red.
So pick up red color from this. You got red color? Now color the apple.